Good evening. Good evening, my peeps. Today we are on this cold weather. You guys cannot see, but it's cold outside. You guys can see I have my little heater over there. So today you can see the truck is full of snow. Today we're changing the catalytic converters things. I don't know how to say that stuff. So we got them. We also got the O2 sensors because this truck has been a wonderful job because we did basically we changed the timing change, we changed the brakes, we did the tune-up, and well, now we're doing the catalytic convert thing. I know a lot of people are stealing those things, but look at me, without stealing them, I'm gonna get 3 out of here. So that's what we're doing now. Today I have the garage a little not open all the way, just enough. As you guys can see, I took one of the O2 sensors out because you guys can see the little hole right there. It's right right here. So you guys can see my finger right there. So I took it down, and all this white stuff, it came from the catalytic. You guys can see it's a lot of like shiny stuff. Probably all the metal that was inside, it came off because I think it's clogged. So the owner of the truck, she was driving it after we did the timing chain, and she said, she texted me and she's like, hey, the truck just stopped, like it turned off and everything. I'm like, oh shit, I probably did something wrong with the timing chain thing. But I ran my little cheapest scan, and it looked like something with the catalytic things, which we knew at the beginning, but we were trying to see if it was we were trying to do and see if it was like something else. So we start with the little things, which it was the you know, the what do you call the thing, the spark plugs, the coils, all those things that has to do with the ignition thing and all that stuff. But so we end up doing the tune-up and all this stuff. But the last thing we had to do is the timing or the catalytic thing. But again, before we did that, and even before we did the timing change, we tried to swap everything. Not swap, but like get a new sensors for the camshaft, the crankshaft, and all those sensors. But I guess it wasn't that, so we have to end up doing the timing chain, and so now we're doing the catalytics too. So hopefully that works after a long time, because when she bought it, I scanned it and it was like 20 plus codes, And right now we down to 4, so hopefully that fixes it, but we'll see. I will keep updated. And as you guys can see, just because I'm working on the car or the truck, I have a mess in my garage. Even the rolls is a mess. It's like a storage thing right now. But after I hope everything comes good with this truck after I change the catalytics, so then I can focus on my garage and organize it, because I'm doing some organization to make it look, like organized. But we'll see. We'll keep you updated.